Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error of the word action. So this is Chang. So let's start. I'm giving here total of six sentences to explain how the most of the people did common error in the word action. So in the first page, total 4, and here the 6. So the first one, the action that we do every day are made easier by machines. Well, so what is wrong in that sentence? So the action that we do every day are made easier. So the thing that we do, the action, don't use the action. This is the common error. This is the common error, because don't use the action plus do. This is the common error. And the second one is that if somebody has done a wrong action, should be punished. So what is wrong is here you can see I use the word action in this sentence. So what is wrong? If someone has done done something wrong, she should be punished. She should be punished. So here you can see, so if somebody has done a wrong action, so this one is correct, this one is common error, because what is the logic? The logic is do verb plus action cannot be used together. So this is correct. Don't use do plus action. So always use do plus thing or something or anything. This is correct. She's always doing thing for charity. Don't do anything that might upset them is such an example. So the next one, it is difficult to forgive those responsible for action of terrorism. So you can see here I used here the word action. So here the action is grammatical mistake. So what is the correct? So it is difficult to forgive those responsible for acts of terrorism. Let's use the acts of terrorism. And the fourth example is kidnap is the action of trying to obtain money from someone by threatening to expose them. The four. So you can see here I use the word action here. Here the word action, the common error. So what is the right answer? So kidnap is the act of trying to obtain money from someone by threatening to expose them. Always use the act. This sentence is correct. So what is the logic above two question? What is the logic? So an or the act of doing. If you use the act and the act plus of plus doing, this is the right. And don't use and the action of doing. This is common error. So as an example, such acts of violence, such acts of violence will not be tolerated. For some people, the very act to a doctor can help them to feel better. So next example, number 5 example. Few people are aware that an urgent action is needed. Here you can see I use the word action here. Here is this action is common error. So what is the correct answer? Few people are aware that urgent action is needed. Here this and, don't use the and, because here the word action is uncountable. So before uncountable, don't use a or an, because don't use the an action, always an action. Don't use this, don't use the an. So the sixth and last one is the king should take an action to reduce the birth rate. So what is the correct answer? The king should take action to reduce the birth rate. So what is the logic? Logic is when you are talking about the idea or purpose of doing something, that time action is uncountable. So action is uncountable. Action, the word action is uncountable when it stands when you are talking about the idea or process of doing something, idea or process, that time the action is stand uncountable word. So before uncountable, don't use and. There is too much stake and not enough action. In that phrase, take action, action is always uncountable. This illegal trade will continue unless action is taken to stop it. Here the action is always uncountable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you then in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.